Hi, I'm Francine Lawrence. I am the manager of survivorship services and integrative medicine at Bird Perkins Cancer Center. And with me today is Kayla Bodwin, who is coordinator in the Student Affairs program at the LSU School of Veterinary Medicine. We're here today to talk with you about a program that our organizations are collaborating on. There are actually many programs that both the vet school and the cancer center collaborate on. And we're here to tell you about one today called Fostering Hope. Kayla was actually part of the original team that helped us develop Fostering Hope, which actually sprang from the Tiger Hats program, which again is a program that the Cancer Center is affiliated with through the LSU Vet School. It's a program where therapy dogs are brought into the Cancer Center and they visit with our patients while they're receiving their treatment, as well as the family members who are there with them. And I can tell you from firsthand experience that it is a joyful, celebratory time when the dogs come to the Cancer Center. Everyone begins to try to pet the dogs or give them a nice hug or just feel a bit of comfort as the dogs pass by. So those of us in survivorship began to think, how can we take those short-term effects of the animal-human bond that they're getting through the therapy dogs and turn that into more of a long-term benefit for our patients? And from that, Fostering Hope originated. And Kayla, as I said, was part of the original team who helped us develop that program, because among the first things we learned when we started looking at how we might allow our patients to foster and even at times adopt an animal while they're going through treatment or even after they've completed their treatment, how are we going to develop a program that would be successful for both the patient as well as the animal? We soon learned that there were no formal programs that did this, and so we were on our own to develop that, and we did turn to the LSU School of Veterinary Medicine. Kayla, can you tell us a bit how that came to be?
Sure. So thank you, Francine, for having us here. So I remember one of the really instrumental pieces of it was the fact that we would focus on the human-animal bond between the person and even just the benefits of animals and how they can help with a patient in general, where it decreases stress, it helps elevate the good hormones and things like that, just even petting an animal. So thinking about having them in a home where they're recovering or going through remission or still even undergoing treatment is such a benefit to them, as well as having the pet come out of the shelter and be in a home and learn to socialize, which is such a great experience. One of the important pieces about why the LSU Vet School, I remember coming into this collaboration, was the fact that the animal also needed someone to be their advocate. So looking at the animal welfare side of it as well as the person. And so I know one of the things that we did with the Cancer Center was to create a survey that helped match characteristics of the human along with characteristics of the animal. Most of the time dog. So basically what we would do is, if they were more of a lap dog or more of high energy, match it with a person whose lifestyle would hopefully be that same, I guess, and pair them up accordingly. So that was one of our main priorities, to make sure everyone was taken care of, including the animals.
And we have persons through the vet school and through the Cancer Center who monitor this. There's always a physician involved giving their permission and release for the patient to do so. And so far it's been a wonderful program to see the joy and elation as animal and parent and patient and family member are all joined together and began a new life together. So I think it's just the beginning. We're going to see where this program takes us and look forward to many more years of collaboration.
Yes.
Yay. If you'd like to find out more information about Fostering Hope, you can contact me at 225-215 1391. So you'd be contacting Francine Lawrence at 225-215-1391. Or Kayla, would you like to share?
Sure. So my information, Kayla Bodwin at the LSU Vet School. My number is 225-578-9194. So if you ever have any questions about fostering hope or anything in general about the vet school, please feel free to give us a call and we'll go from there.